everyone, welcome to my channel. Come with me to the Earth Fair market. This was such an amazing walk. The weather was great. There was a cool breeze. I took my time and just enjoyed the walk. I was meeting some good friends of mine at the market. I hadn't been yet, but it's been going on in my area for a while. The one section is your car boot sales, and the other section is where the food is at, but we didn't go there for the food this time around. But this property was, it's got such rich history, if I could say, and it is a historical protected area. But I like the fact that they've opened it up to the public so that we could all enjoy being there. But it's also got so much memorabilia inside, and obviously you can also just look up the history of the place. But the Earth Fair market is so nice. They have live music there, but also the property is huge, so there's a lot of seating spaces and also just picnicking places. Just bring your blanket and chill and relax. Apparently, because it's a historical protected place, it's not allowed for renovation, so it is quite run down. I was walking in this room and I was just thinking what a great restaurant it would actually make. We got to just sit on the lawn and enjoy a drink. The music is playing in the background and the weather is amazing. I feel like I haven't relaxed like this in a very long time. It was so worth it. If you know anything about me, you will know I'm a wine girly through and through. It wasn't as busy as I thought it would be for a Saturday, but maybe earlier in the morning it had been. But there's plenty of parking space as well. I love baking. I wish I could bake as much as I used to, but I don't know. I find it very therapeutic. I think more than anything, I've started baking when I've got a lot on my mind, and it's just a form of an outlet, I guess. I had some bananas that were gonna go off, so let's make some banana muffins. I wasn't making like a full tray, so I just added 2 bananas, and you're gonna want to mash those up really well. Make sure that they are mush. Banana porridge mush. Unless you wanna maybe have a few lumpy pieces of banana in your muffins, if that's your style, by all means go for it. So you'll see that I'm mashing mine really well. I just want the flavor of it more than anything. And you're gonna want to add 2 eggs, some vanilla extract or essence, half a cup of milk, and half a cup of oil. And then you're gonna wanna whisk this really well. Make sure that everything is properly incorporated. I added some nutmeg and some cinnamon to mine, and this was a cup of flour. Yes, 1 cup of flour. I feel like if you want to make pancakes, this would be enough, but because I was making muffins, I needed it to be a little less wet, so I did go in and add another half a cup of flour. So that's the consistency that you want to see. And I preheated my oven to 180, so you can do that 5 minutes or 10 minutes before, and then just pour your batter into your muffin cups, and there you go. That's it for about 20 to 25 minutes. The smell in my kitchen, you guys, oh my goodness, so good. This deserved a cup of tea. I'm not a huge tea drinker, but for these I had to make some tea. It was the perfect beverage for it. But yeah, I also wanted to say that you're gonna want to use a premix. As you could see that I didn't add any baking powder or baking soda. Get yourself a vanilla cake premix, because I feel like the muffins come out so soft and cakey. So yeah, you can just use that. As you're gonna see, they are so soft, so fluffy, and so delicious. To say I was late is an understatement, because I was super late on this day. But to the grind we go. Am I the only one who will have coffee and water? Like, okay, obviously not at the same time, but they have to be there. Like, as soon as I'm done with my coffee, I will start drinking my water. But that was not my first drink of water for the day though. Above all else, coffee first. Keeps us sane in the morning. On days where I get to work from home, this is like the first thing I do after powering up my laptop. Am I the only one who does this? I don't know. I feel like there are not a lot of people who do milk first, then water. But for me, it has to be this way. Otherwise, it just tastes different. I don't really like it. The flowers are struggling for their lives in summer. They are so pretty though. The muffin maker return. Word, watch me flop at this. I've seen it being done so many times on Instagram, but for some odd reason, when I tried to do it, to fold it into like a triangular wrap, it just did not work. But this was my lunch for the day, and I don't know, for me it's just easier. And for the most part, I haven't had, or I've been trying to stay away from eating bread a lot, because I just feel like it just doesn't agree with my tummy anymore. I don't know whether it's old age catching up with me real quick, or there's just something in that flour that they are putting that just does not do well for my tummy at all. So I always try to get wraps, and this was me after work, because priorities, we need to move forward, grind, hustle. Have you drank your water today? Water first, babies. Keep hydrated. Oh yeah, it was Valentine's Day. This was kind of sweet. If there's art, I will automatically gravitate towards it. Plants and plants everywhere. I'm a happy girl. I am a happy girl. A chilled glass of Chardonnay. That's all I needed. How beautiful was the sky? I just had to take a pause. I just had to pause. And the babies came to say hello. Hello, hello. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. That's it for this week's installment of My Quiet Life. Please like and subscribe and leave a nice comment.